I'm Janson Fluty. I'm a fabrication welder, and I've been doing this for about 5 years now. I like welding because I like being able to take raw material that's been cut, and then we end up fabbing it together to create a big piece of machinery. And it's kind of cool to see the raw material go to the actual finished part that you make. I also like it because welding is more of a art form than it is just slapping a couple things together. When we weld, you have standards you have to follow. You have to make the weld look good as well as be functional. I really enjoy it.
Jeremy Sherwood. I'm a fabricator here at Sinto, and I've been fabricating for about 22 years. I chose to be a fabrication welder because I enjoy taking raw material and creating something useful to someone. I actually enjoy it because I get to see quality work that I've accomplished through that process.